All right, so what is your first name and where do you live?
Mike, and I live in Huntington, New York.
Okay, Mike, and how do you hear about our company?
Originally, I heard about you guys on the radio, so I went and investigated online, and got some more information.
Okay, can you tell me more about the problem you were having?
You can see here, down here in the sub basement, there was a lot of dirt, debris, mold. The insulation was falling down, and had a little bit of water issues.
Okay, and can you walk me through the experience you had with us?
Listen, from the start, when I first spoke to Peter, who came in and spelled it all out for me, it was top notch. It was a professional time the whole time.
Okay.
Professional experience.
And how has this work changed your home for the better?
Listen, this is usable space now. Before it was we used it, but you didn't want it.
Right.
So Carlos and the team came down here and did a great job.
Okay. And if a friend asks, why should I choose Healthy Basement Systems? Why should you say?
Listen, if you want to continue to deal with a problem and lie to yourself and tell you that you're going to get it done yourself, you're crazy. These guys can do it and they knock it out in no time.
Yep. What surprised you the most about working with our company?
How fast and how efficient everything was.
All right. Thank you, man. Appreciate
All right,
it.
no problem.